How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, open up your gallery section and locate the picture which you would like to upload to your Snapchat. You will see a three-dot icon here. Tap onto it and you will see copy to clipboard. Tap on copy to clipboard. Now this image has been copied onto your keyboard clipboard. Let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat application. Get logged into your Snapchat account and let's go ahead and take a random picture. In my case, I'm taking a blank picture and simply tap on this text icon. As you click a blank photo, tap on this T icon. Long tap onto the screen and simply paste it. And as you paste it, you can also increase or decrease its size. Once you're satisfied, tap on send to and send this to your friends. So just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.